In this section, we will try to understand what is Power BI Desktop and how to install it. Let's try to understand what is this. This is the authoring tool, meaning in order to do any development in Power BI, you will use the Power BI Desktop. In 2025, you can also do minor developments in the services, but the full-fledged authoring tool is the Power BI Desktop. Then it's free, so there is no cost involved unless you want to publish it in the service. In your desktop, it is completely free. And it comprises of three parts: Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View. To know what is this, we already seen like in Power BI Desktop we have three purpose it will solve. Like it will use to do the ETL or transformation of your data, and modeling like creating relationship and creating your DAX measures and calculated columns. Then finally you will do the report. So earlier all these three tools, like for transforming data, use the Power Query in Excel, and you do the modeling in the Power Pivot in Excel, and Power View is for creating your interactive reports. All these three tools combined in a single tool called Power BI. So this is what Power BI is all about. In our next session, we will see how to install the Power BI.